Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using Acrobat, you can create an interactive PDF form from a paper form using your computer scanner. This can be helpful if you want to fill the form out electronically or if you want to distribute the form to multiple recipients. To create a form from a scanned document, launch Acrobat and then choose the Prepare Form tool from the Tools Center or the Tools pane. Acrobat displays the Prepare Form screen. Click the Scan a Document link. Remember to check the checkbox that says this document requires signatures if you want a signature field added to the form. Then click the Start Scan button. Acrobat then displays the Enhanced Scan screen. Use the Scanner drop-down menu to select the appropriate scanner. You can adjust scan settings using the radio option buttons in the Enhanced Scan screen. By default, Acrobat will scan a letter-sized document at 300 dpi or dots per inch and will automatically detect the document's color. Acrobat's default settings are appropriate for most scan jobs. However, clicking the gear-shaped Settings button allows advanced users to customize Acrobat's default scanner settings in a number of ways. You can also choose from several predefined scan settings that are suitable for black and white documents, color documents, grayscale documents, and color photos. When you have selected scan settings and placed the paper document onto the scanner bed, click the Scan button. The paper document is scanned and Acrobat converts the document into an interactive PDF form. As we have seen in previous lessons, Acrobat's form recognition capabilities are not foolproof. Although most form elements are recognized and converted, you may notice that some elements on the scanned form are not interactive. Using Acrobat's form editing tools, you can manually add text fields, radio option buttons, and other missing elements to your form. Over the next few lessons, we'll take a closer look at Acrobat's form editing tools.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.